How to set up automatic payments in Discover Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you tired of remembering due dates? Well, here is how to set up automatic payments in Discover Bank Online. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link, and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials, and once logged in from your account dashboard, you have to select the account you want to set up autopay for. And there you just have to click on the payments or autopay setup in the account menu and choose your payment method like checking or savings, and then enter the account details if needed. And once you're done with it, you have to select how much to pay, like minimum, full balance, or a custom amount. And there you can pick your payment date too. And once you're done with it, you have to review the setup carefully and then click submit or confirm to activate autopay. And that's it. That's how you can set up automatic payments in Discover Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.